Yeah, what up? This is PigglesDiGaijin and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about that time I went to a club and actually got kicked out of a Japanese club. I've never been kicked out of a club before, so this was like a new experience for me, you know what I mean? So here's the story. We're gonna have 4 names. There was Chris, there was Rochelle, there's Yuko, and there's my Japanese ex-girlfriend. I will call her Koala. A couple weeks before Rochelle's birthday, which was in about November, she said, "Hey Dre, are there any dancehall parties taking place soon?" So I said, okay, let me link Yuko. So Yuko is a plug for us here in Japan. And she said there's a party in Gifu. Now Gifu is 1.5 hours away from my house in Toyota and about 15 minutes away from Rochelle. So I said, okay, cool, we're gonna have a dinner, invite some people, you can come. But I said, no Rochelle, I can't come, I got work. So after work, I meet the guys in Ichinomiya and then we head to Gifu together. That was the plan. So I go to work, head home, shower, get ready, get that bike to the train station. While on the train, I'm drinking about 2 strong zeros to catch up because while at dinner they were having drinks. Now I'm 5 minutes away from Ichinomiya, so I send a message to Rochelle. Hey Rochelle, where are you? I'm 5 minutes away. No response. So the train stops at the station. I'm looking, I see no foreigners. Where are the foreigners? So I said maybe they got on the car before I looked up from my phone. You know, it's possible. So I walk through the cars. Where the hell are these Jamaicans? I don't see no Jamaican nowhere. There's no Jamaican nowhere. When I'm there. Then the train moves off. They're not on the train. Alright, so where's Rochelle? 2 minutes later, I get a message. Andre, I'm sorry. Andre, sorry, we lost track of time and we're running with B2 in Gifu, okay? Really? So you kind of change the plan. But it's her birthday, so you know what? You can do whatever she wants. So we get to Gifu. I'm there already. So 5 minutes later, they came to Gifu. I'm there. We're chilling. We say, alright, let's get some pre-game drinks, alright? So we go to, where do we go? We went to Don Quixote, bought the spice rum and some cola. And we started straight up drinks and drinking. So we're nice. Everybody's nice and stuff. So we're walking there. And Koala, Chris, Rochelle, and 4 other people, which I won't call their name because I didn't get their permission to use in the story. Right. We're enjoying ourselves, making noise, whatever. Noisy guys. First of all, we couldn't even find a place. We got lost on the way. Then eventually, yes, we found the place and they're yes, awesome, we go in. The first thing that kind of we knew the night was going to go badly was that they told us 2,000 yen and 1 drink on the flyer. But when we went to the door, they said 2,500, 1 drink. I said, wait, why are you changing this on us? Oh, because we're already here. There are no more trains to go back home. So let's just enjoy it. You know, it's Rochelle's birthday. We get into the club. There's a whole host of people, but there's actually a wedding party there. And so, yeah, okay, what's going to happen here? Are they going to play dancehall though? That's the important thing. So the wedding party was there having their thing. We told them it's Rochelle's birthday. They invite Rochelle and Chris go on stage. They get a bottle of champagne and they share it for everybody in our group. And then they start giving it out to everybody else in the club. All right, fine. Time to dance. Because that's what we came here to do. Dancing time. Mad thing. March out. We start dancing. Chris dancing with Rochelle. I'm dancing with Koala. I'm going to go bang, bang, bing, bing, bang, bing. Because that's how we dance. So we're dancing, having a good time. Chris said, you know what? Let's get some shots. Yo, man, buy some shots in the dog. One of the fun. I said, yeah, man. Me. What's up? Go. I said, Kampai. Shots. 1 shot. 10 minutes later, Chris said, more shots. All right, shot. Me a drink. Well, yeah, buy. All right, bossy. Drink. Shot again. So by this time, people were hammered. Only persons that were at a certain level that were okay were Rochelle, Chris, me, and this other girl who doesn't drink at all. So 2 people who are drunk went outside to get some fresh air. Meanwhile, Koala goes missing. No one sees her. But there's another Japanese girl here, so I go, hey, girl, come here. Give me a little dong, diddy dong. Right, I go dance with her. But then we notice there's a little line outside the girl's bathroom. So we make a quick cross. So that's where Koala was. She was vomiting and stuff. Fine, she comes back out with Rochelle. Rochelle gives her some water. She seems fine. She's sobering up. I am happy. Rochelle is happy. Chris is happy. Everybody else, we don't know where they are. Fine. So I continue dancing and enjoying myself. I'm working up a sweat. So I'm basically sober now because there's no alcohol. It's all out of my system. Then I look, there's no Koala. Where did she go?
Oh no.
Boots, let's go look for Koala. So we go to look for Koala, but there's another line forming outside the girls' bathroom at this time. I look across, I see Chris and in the bathroom with another Japanese guy arguing. I'm like, they're saying good. So I run across and run in. At this point, there are 3 males in the female bathroom. Koala is on the ground, gripping. Die. Rochelle is there helping Koala while she vomits out her tribe, and these 2 are arguing. I'm like, what's going on? And the guy is saying she has to leave the bathroom now. But Chris is like, yo, we were in the club, we bought drinks in your club, she vomited in your club, she got drunk in your club, so why she can't use your bathroom, which is here in your club? The owner started getting a bit too lippy. Chris has had enough. Chris pushed the owner out of the bathroom.
Damn!
You serious? How? Why would he do that, dog? Why? So me I said no, I don't want to get deported because I'm enjoying Japan right now. And yeah, at this point things start get wild because then the owner start get really upset. Yo, damn it! And started speaking a lot of Japanese words. So at this point, Chris basically clenched his fist, ready to knock this mother Japanese person out. I'm like, Chris, no, easy, Chris, easy, Chris, easy. No, alright, hold on. The DJ who was on the stage saw what was happening, jumped off and came in to intervene and started talking and diffuse the situation. Call God, I said, we carry her outside, let her recover and get some fresh air and started feeling much better. So I'm like, yes, we're gonna go back in the club. We see Chris coming up the stairs with everybody's bags, like he's carrying the load of the world on him. He's like Atlas, carrying everybody's things and everybody's problems. Coming out, we know I stay here, so. We're like, really, Chris? So basically, the guy kicked out, said he was going to call the police on us. And in a sense, he kicked us out because my Japanese ex-girlfriend was vomiting too much and other persons couldn't get to use the bathroom. When there's another male bathroom right there, with a urinal and a toilet seat, right there. Dirty foreigners. You know, I would understand if it was the foreigners, if it was one of us vomiting, because apparently our vomit is much more smelly than the Japanese own.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Maybe. Reach? Much? No? Okay, stop. Alright, bye. We end up leaving the club. At this point, we're heading back to Russia's house to stay, but we went to stop and grab something to eat. My ex is like, no.
Me don't want to stay with Russia. Me don't want to stay. Me go to hotel. Me will pay. Me have money. Andre, me could go to hotel. I'm like,
oh. Hotel, you say? I'm like, Russia, I'm gonna go to the hotel. I'll be right back. She gonna get some Jamaican tonight.
No, Russia said, no, Andre, don't want to know because stay. When we ever stay together, I'm like,
okay. Yeah, so we got kicked out because my ex couldn't handle her liquor. That's really bad. Oh, I didn't tell you guys about my first Japanese girlfriend, did I? Y'all thought I was missing out here, right? I actually lost. I took some L's. And this one is another L. But I'll tell you in the next video. In the comments down below, tell me if you have ever been kicked out of a club anywhere in the world. What was that experience like? And what is your drink limit? I had like 6 tequila shots and like 3 rum cokes and some other stuff. And 2 strong zeros. What's your limit? Alright? Tell me down in the comments down below and see you in the next video. I upload videos every Friday and maybe sometimes on a Tuesday, alright? Going forward, big up on yourself. PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikibasho! Yeah.